In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Slack. Add clickable links in Slack messages. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you already use the desktop app, you can simply launch it. The process is the same there. Once Slack is open, navigate to the workspace and open a channel where you want to post your message. This can be any channel or a direct message. The steps are identical. Click into the message box and start typing your message the way you normally would. Think about the words you want to turn into a clickable link. This is often called the anchor text. For example, you might write, "See the full report here," and plan to turn the words "full report" into the link. It's helpful to have the URL you intend to use copied to your clipboard before you continue. Now look for the formatting toolbar near the message box and click the link icon, which looks like a small chain. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, expand formatting and it will appear. With your anchor text selected, clicking the link icon opens a small dialog. In that dialog, paste your link into the URL field. Make sure the address starts with HTTPS, so Slack treats it as a valid web link. If Slack shows a field for display text, it will usually be pre-filled with the words you highlighted. You can adjust that text here if needed. Double-check that you've pasted the correct link. This helps avoid sending people to the wrong page. When everything looks right, click Save. Back in the message box, you'll see your anchor text styled as a clickable link. At this point, you can finish writing the rest of your message, and when you're ready, send it. Anyone who clicks that text will be taken directly to the URL you provided. A few quick tips to wrap up. Hyperlinks work the same way in threads and group DMs. If you pasted a long URL by mistake, just edit the message and update the link using the same link icon. And when sharing internal documents, confirm that your recipients have access to the target page so they don't hit a permissions wall. That's it. You've added a clean, professional hyperlink to your Slack message without cluttering the conversation with long URLs.